Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add ruler in Google Docs. There is no built-in feature on your mobile phone like the laptops to add the ruler, but today I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can add something like ruler in your documents. So let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to add the ruler to. Here you can find the pencil-like icon. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find 3 dot lines. Now tap on it. Now here you can find the page setup option. Go ahead and select it. Now to add the ruler-like effect, tap onto the margin options right here. From here you can select one of the margins that you can add to a document. Now choose one and tap on to apply. Then tap on to switch option. Now here you can see the margin has been changed of your document. And that's it. This is how you can add the alternative ruler to your document in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.